Worokoto, it don't happen. Too many things they happen for inside life. Oyana, come make we yarn for inside life on Top VOS TV.
My people, I greet you now. Now welcome to our Bonge show, what they call Inside Life on Top VOX TV. And for this program, for the format, for the kind of matter we say they affect life and how we ourselves today affect life too. For this program, so we talk matter the way it be. We know they add, we know they cut come out. As it ought to happen, and so they give on to Namuna, they enjoy it. Today, we will look some kind of matter where we say they affect us. And as you know, this program so they always they give una the way it be. Not let me go Puma for this matter today. I get my Bonge sister for this program where we say he want to join me Puma for this program. Her name na Abu Bosse.
My people, I greet you now. Now welcome to this program.
Like I talk today, our first time she show for this program. But when I still remember our brother, our one and only brother wey be say they talk things the way you see am, wey be no Sakare Sydney, alias talker as you see am. For the now, so before we come pull mouth for all the iki wey dey happen, how some kind people take run things, how they do some kind things you see, no dey go well. We'll go small break, and when we come back, we will come tell now how the matter dey go. My people, now welcome back to our program. Like I tell you before, I say we'll put matter on the kind matter. And what this matter we want to talk this today? So now waiting with the eat. You don't check what you they eat. That thing where you they buy the chop, you know how they take produce them, you know who they produce them, you know the process where it pass, where they arrange and come out, say you just see and you they put up for man they eat as you like. This is one topic we really need to look. And those people who need charge to go they check this thing, to checkmate them, whether they make sense for us to eat or not, then they do their work. These are some of the topics we say well, they put out today. Because we don't discover say so many people for Koro, where we say we not fit discover one kind. They do so many iki, they put some kind thing, they do some kind thing, they miss some kind thing, just some kind thing. So they do things make it be say no work for us. My people, these things where they power me when I reason say what is some people they give us be like poison. We get some videos where we say we like make una watch today, and if una watch this video, my brother, you go think well before you carry the buy things. You know, just carry the buy things. Not say we come here come spoil people market too. We not come spoil people market, but once we do, we just want to tell people say e good make we dey do the right thing. E good maybe say wetin we dey give people make they eat. Now wetin good because wetin don enter belle, e no go let throw again o. Wetin don enter belle no let throw again. So we need to dey very mindful of wetin we dey eat. Those people they put in charge, make they checkmate these people for what they produce. Make them too, they do their work. Make government too put things in place when we say they do one. The first one we like to open today. Now one woman where we say we discover for one video where we say because they produce many puff and many donuts they sell for people. She can look and say for her to come they use hand they maneuver that thing they press the floor one kind it go take time. So she can't carry her leg make it be like a bicycle where we say the leg not straight well. Put for inside person they do the thing work like if you carry wheelbarrow when we say you carry don't bend they carry gravel the waka. This video so when I see am it power me well. Make we watch the video. As we watch the video we come back we go put out for the matter.
National service where dem say minister of interior and former governor of the state Ralph Aregbesola dey suppose come commission today. I read go wait for am for there say dem wan tell am wetin do their money say na him cause their wahala wey dem dey.
That thing, if na you see that kind of thing you go eat. Even if you want to produce many buns wey you wan sell for that day, must you put that your crocodile leg, that leg wey no straight, that leg wey be like say e be one thing take dey match that thing. No matter how your leg clean reach, e no clean. Because no be up you dey carry leg dey waka, na ground you take dey match. You dey match so many things. At the end of the day, carry that leg, put am for wetin people wan eat, wetin crowd wan eat, wetin many people wan eat dey match am. This kind thing no good. My sister, how you see that matter?
The matter no be wetin person dey talk o. It's still good that our people don cite am so. They don see and say, see wetin we dey talk about. No be, in fact, na man inhumanity to man, according to Oyibo, the way they take speak am. It not just make any sense at all. If you know say you wan do food in a large quantity, you wan make am plenty, you will go buy the machine. You will go buy the machine, use am take dey produce, take dey mix am. Then people go queue up, they see as you dey mix am, they go dey happy, dey chop am. That way they carry go koroso, go dey climb basin, use leg dey match am. Not be fowl wan eat that food. Na human being wan eat am.
Okay.
Sickness full everywhere. We no know the one wey wan cure finish.
We dey talk say COVID-19 dey. We never even get for that one. They want the
different food poisoning everywhere. Now every day, now we dey hear am from every corner.
Today, so just now we hear say cholera don break for some kind part of Nigeria.
You understand?
Nobody know what
now this one we dey try to talk. Make our people look into this matter. It no make any sense.
It no make sense, my sister.
It no make any sense.
Because if you look that woman so, wetin as in you no get conscience, you no dey feel. If that thing you dey do so under normal circumstances, you go gree eat that food. For some houses, my sister, you know say bucket wey person dey bath, some family no dey gree take.
They no dey use am do any other thing.
They much more say you come carry leg wey
say dey mash things,
they mash that,
mash food wey person wan eat. As they carry am come to general public, na everybody go rush and chop.
They go chop am.
Then who reach house na this one go hold belle, this one go hold head. They don't know the one wey dey work your finish.
You go dey do the food, everybody go dey rush, go dey chop. Hey, this thing dey sweet, dey sweet. We no know how they take dey do am.
We no know how they take dey do am. And I believe say the authorities wey dey see put for there, the people wey dey put for there, make they see dey look into this kind things. Well, we know if people mouth.
We get health officers.
We know if we no come talk too much, but they are supposed. Now their work is supposed to be.
So another thing we will see more look at now on that video again. I bet make we see quick watch this video. We will come see Puma for the video again. My people, una see wetin happen for that video. Una see how somebody for this kind of modern life, wey gadgets, technology don improve wey dey process water. Some person go carry water, they fill am for inside can, they seal am, they use gas, this thing they seal the cellophane. They go come out for the public, go come dey buy a drink. And funny enough, now if you see the way some kind person stay for area wey you say to dey carry this pure water, you run follow motor, hey buy, you know, because say you dey tasty along the road, you no go bother to one look, you just carry water, open am, begin to dey drink. And at times when water don block like that,
you no go see anything wey dey inside again.
No, and you no see the gems wey dey inside.
You no go fit see wetin dey inside. So na make you just drink am as e cold, for your mind you dey enjoy.
You see am so.
You no know where dem from fill am put, whether na roadside or na gutter.
Now this kind of modern life, na people say do this kind of wickedness.
They do am.
To me, it's not wickedness o. How you go, you open eye crow, you open eye nya like moon wey say you don wey dey shine on the 29th of each month. They do this kind of bad thing, make people dey see am. See, if nobody see you, God dey see you o.
God dey see them.
Because the family who go drink this water now go get one or two sickness was begin to dey sick. As they drink, they cure that sickness so. God himself dey see you. The people wey be say your action go affect their life, wey say go fit even lead them to death, God dey see you o. Because if small pikin say him too get teeth wey too big, dem no mean no get that teeth o. Na make e see better lips take cover am, na matter. So una see all this video wey dey show una so, we still get another two wey still see Puma to. But before we do that, we wan encourage una wey be say you don see this video so wey be say e like to get one two things we wan talk concerning this thing. Make una take una time, take comment for our comment section. In case you never subscribe, this is the first time you see our video, press that subscription button, kpakan, make e be say you subscribe.
Yes. And
you go be first wey be say e go dey get our all this kind of information as soon as e dey come. If you press that notification button, kpakan to wey be like bell, So if you do these ones, you go get them. Now people, when we go small market, if we come back, we will come out for the other 2 videos. My people, when I welcome back, now the program has been now still inside life on Top VOX TV. I still remain Osakare Sydney, and my sister line for your Gidigba with me when say they checkmate this thing. I told my phone her name now Abu Bose. So together with the looks of kind matter, we be say e not clear because we want to make our people they checkmate wetin they eat before they eat them. Make they know they eat them because it's our chocolate way to they contribute to the safety or the health habit of our people. So at least make una continue from now onward. They look what una they eat. One else carry they eat because they think they hungry una. Make una checkmate that thing whether it fits to eat or not. Make we see one video where we say it happened for one of our streets.
Water. Why they like this now? You want to for you don't believe on me come out. You don't see the wash up for gutter. You want to give our people make chop. Why you like this? Why they do this kind of thing now? This kind of thing no clear now. This one says see the ones you for. No problem. You can't they wash up for gutter. They wash up for here they put them. You can't still go sell up for people for front. Stop this nonsense. The ones you don't for you throw them. You throw them. The wash up for gutter. Wash up. And so
my people, now see that video so. Now see how that aboki crow for public. He carry coconut wey don carve in one can go market. Say because say the coconut fall, he pack am put inside gutter, they wash am, they arrange am back for tray. If not be say some boys come dey pass and say aboki why you do this kind of thing? This kind of thing good. We for no know say this kind of thing dey happen. And at times when you dey waka dey go for the street of our market, you go see this coconut, they go arrange am, you go fine, you wan buy. You know say wetin you dey buy, na only God know wetin dey take preserve am. Na only God know wetin dey take wash that thing wey you dey eat. This kind of thing no good. Even if by nature small una dirty, must una carry that dirty dey affect other people. Instead dey hungry people, make una do am in a more civilized way. We don civilize pass this kind of condition una dey put us. Make we even go some places, we see some kind people wey say dey wear suits or wear tie to dey sell kola nuts. Some will wear suit, wear tie, they sell donuts, they sell buns. All those kind of good dressing, all those kind of good presentation, it will encourage people to buy.
Yes.
Not with this kind of modern life, you they open eye, they carry coconuts, wait for this thing they give you. My sister, how is that kind of matter?
The matter no be they look 2 times now. Everybody, even as you use your ear here and alone, the thing go shock you for body.
It will shock you.
Than say you can't even use your eyes see. You understand? And they say them not be there they carry coconut waka for park. For park compound down, people wey dey inside bus go say carry am come mala make I buy. We don't buy as he buy am why? Na so you don break am, you don dey chop am. You no concern na whether you no be say you go see water for the coconut body. Their mind now be say na ragolis water they take wash am. You no know say na inside gutter they for park and come out. So now so yeah, now we are part of the society. Now wetin we dey see every day.
This we are part of the society. I tell my sister, na wetin dey kill us dey go. Because na time wey be say we begin to talk the thing the way e dey be. So that those are some of the reasons we make our program dey ground gidigba to enlighten the public for wetin dey happen for inside life, wetin dey affect our life one kind. Na this time make we put this program gidigba for ground make we take address am because say na so e dey be, make we accept am. Wetin dey kill us dey go.
No fit accept am.
We need to accept am.
That is why we are here. Na make we come say make we tell people say that thing is wrong. E dey very very wrong.
E dey wrong.
I know say na money we dey find o. Everybody want.
The other day I hear of a story wey say somebody go just carry dead fowl come out begin to dey sell am opeke give women.
Yes,
and so they rush dey buy am. You never know wetin kill that fowl.
No, they no even care.
If our people want to talk say bird flu don dey kill black man, that whether we no know gbogbo for that year wey dey kill fowl this dey do this one say no dey kill us, say nothing dey chop fowl wey be say bird flu kill. But those things we don pass that one. That no be truth. Make we no use ignorance take dey carry sickness for our body. Even Bible even advise us say make we stay away from dead animals.
Yes.
Let alone you never know wetin kill the animal kpakpa. You just carry
the shop because e cheap.
Because e cheap. Remember say na
some go say na Buhari regime na cause am. Whereas if the sickness come the Buhari regime na go save you for hospital.
Na go save you for
hospital. Go hospital make you come see different types of sickness and diseases everywhere.
Eh?
All of them like that, everybody dey shout.
Remember say say cheap article and dey
I dey push belle now.
Make we not say because we see one eat.
No.
Because even if we see listen as they check this one we say we have for New Benin some weeks back, maybe some women who carry donkey come dey sell for market. At least when I check at least the video dey this thing, the picture dey our screen now as we talk and so they carry donkey meat now the meat we dey see so you know they carry the meat come market come dey sell.
Imagine.
And one for when God dey tell people eat the meat wey we eat, e no put donkey join am. Donkey na meat na animal dey do transportation for those days. God will tell us make we no dey eat that meat.
They even know where they for kill that donkey.
Okay.
They know where for carry am. You just see meat, just dey chop. You just carry enter general public. They
But the
feed
problem
people.
is say this meat, this donkey
You don't
meat,
kill
na
am.
how
Where
we
they for kill am?
kill am? We are going to say na
Because
agbo.
since when me dey go
It's
slaughter,
not
never
agbo,
see
it's
where
not.
they slaughter donkey once.
Okay, there's no agbo for the carry and dey go according to the report. So na agbo for the carry the meat they come dey sell for Benin here.
I dey see where they kill meat. I no see where they from kill donkey.
Me-
Okay, where the meat come from?
The truth
Who
is say
cook am?
me and you fit know that meat, but our people out there they know the color how the meat dey be.
They don't know that.
Because-
Their own they don't see meat.
Because
They
say
chop.
they don't know how the meat dey be, they go buy the meat out of ignorance.
And they will chop am.
And at times we dey find cheap meat. This one where everywhere hard, so everybody find cheap meat. But according to wetin one veterinary doctor talk, he say how to identify this meat be say one, the meat dey dey dark after you don kill am. If you don cut am, you
that
suppose
donkey
say
dey dark.
dey darker pass cow
Bad
meat.
cow meat.
Then if you boil am, you come be like say dey black one kind. But wetin I carry do am be say come boil am in such a way be say you come be like this meat, this part of meat wey dem call cow leg or cow tail.
Or pork meat.
No, like cow leg or cow tail, I say
Okay.
dey be. I mean, there was
They are screen.
so I say they be one kind. You come like cow leg or cow tail. So you don't pick differentiate am from cow leg and cow tail. You look and say, this cow leg your cheap you buy. Because they leave am with the pomon for the body.
For the body.
This kind thing e no good.
No good. No
So
good.
na high time for us to call the agency wey dey in charge. I mean like this consumer protection agency. This na time for una to come out. All this can water, sachet water, some kind food wey dem dey do locally. Make una take una time.
That woman wey dey miss
Puff
puff
puff.
with leg, especially that one. Because puff if fire don hit am, why you wan take know the one wey dey use leg miss and the one wey dey use machine miss? No.
So-
As you dey hungry, you don buy chop.
Na be the thing. So my sister, which advice you get for government for concerning this kind matter?
Advice wey me get for government be say make dem try make dem look into this matter, because the matter na matter wey be say e dey affect our people.
Okay.
And I believe say e get agency wey government don put in place to
Yes.
do this one. Buhari no go fit do everything.
No.
Be everybody who sick go say Buhari, who sneak go say Buhari. No be say we dey justify am o, but e no go fit do everything. I believe say there get agency wey dem say make dem dey look into this matter.
Na true be
Make
that
dem get up on their toe, make dem do their work as dem suppose to take do am. No be to just sit down for office dey receive salary.
Dey receive salary.
Dey receive AC for body.
Yeah.
Dem go month end dem go dey calculate the date to collect money. What of the work wey dem say make you do? How
Okay.
far you dey do am?
Dey do am.
Because if dem dey do am, this thing no go come on like
No,
this.
it's not common like
Because
this.
e go just dey everywhere,
Or you
every
do something
corner.
with fear because
And
they
they
go
go still
say
dey
people
they do
monitor
am with fear. Who look back look front go say if they catch me they say na 30,000 dem dey collect o. Where he know say if he sell everything wey take dey manufacture that fake thing, e no reach
It's not
30,000. So e go still comot hand with fear.
They are our people. We still need to advise them. Which advice you still get for our people too?
Our people now they really need the advice. If they really say make they talk am, na they need the advice because
Because they
make
dey
they
eat am.
still try dey look wetin dem dey eat. No be everything wey you see say dem mold put for ring road you go just carry for your mouth.
Okay.
No be you hungry pass. Because if the sickness come, you no go fit stand am. Make our people dey shine their eye. Dey look wetin dem wan put for their own mouth wey dem wan enter belle. Belle no get window.
No.
If e don enter, e don enter be
Don
that.
enter.
Make dem just dey careful. Watch wetin dem wan eat.
My
Wetin I fit tell
sister,
dem.
you don touch this matter no be small. Because the way the thing take dey go now be say we dey even dey call this all of them na food poison we dey call this thing. Because even the other day now we hear say some couple dey just arrange kpekere or this chin chin.
Okay, chin chin.
Or you arrange chin chin or use drugs take mix the chin chin flour fry am. When you go just see where you take arrange am for this thing you wan eat.
Nice thing
When
be
you
the
come
fry
eat the
fry
chin
we
chin
dey
finish
talk.
the person go come high.
You see? go start with the scatter everywhere.
Your high, so you don't even know why they high when they
Go
high.
start with the scatter everywhere. You no even know wetin dey happen.
They sell this chin, they give small school
Small
children.
children dey chop.
Now pikin come out from school, you expect say you go school now. You come out from school, you go come sleep from 2:30 wey dey come till 7 o'clock. You wake up, Chidinma go do something na lie.
Na lie.
Chidinma
You
dey
no
sleep.
see road.
You dey beat am. You know say Chidinma don high for school road.
You fit even go dey buy malaria medicine say maybe na malaria visit am so. You no know say dem don high am. Yes na.
You know say one couple you dey one corner wey dey arrange chin wey dey sweet like
No
another thing
matter
with
why our
everything.
people come just resort to
So,
wickedness. You
No
know
matter how it be.
Make
you need to
dem
dey very careful.
abeg.
My sister, thank you for what you take come this our place, show
Thank
our
you
program.
very much. You
We
do well,
really
oh.
enjoy your coming.
Thank
And
you,
people, I
sir.
don't hear all the matter wey e dey happen for this our obodo Nigeria. How some people wan get rich at all time. They no care how you dey feel or wetin you go talk, or how government dey feel or wetin government go talk. That one no concern them. Na how they wan take put ego for their pocket. Na im just dey their mind. But me na know one thing o. One day monkey go market, e no go come back o. Our people make una shine una eye kro nya like policeman touch when una dey buy something o. Una no carry say because the thing fine or the thing cheap make una dey buy. Una dey very careful what una dey eat. Make una know where dem dey do those things and how dem take dey do am before una dey eat. No be everything wey just appear fine na im fine for inside o. Make una shine una eye. And our government agency dem wey dey put gidigba for ground make dey monitor all these kind iki thing wey dey happen for we country. Make una do una work. No be to sit down there gidigba for office like Odiwaya. They chop wetin, they chop government money, they enjoy AC, they receive salary at the end of the month, work na dey work. Because if the time reach wey God go take judge these people, they go still judge una o. Sake of say you no do your work. No fit say because say e free for you, you no know who be who. If you go market, no throw stone put for market because you no know who the stone wan meet. You wey fit say you stand for office, you no wan go monitor your own pikin, your own brother, your own uncle, your own mama, your own papa fit even go buy that thing go eat. Na make we dey warn now, make everybody do wetin right. If we do this one, we no get problem for we country. My brothers and sisters, na so we wan take end this program. But before we do that, make we still remind una small. Make una remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be VOX TV News. Make una still follow us for our other social media platform wey be VOX TV Naija. And in case you never press that notification button, make you be the first to hear our bangam message. Make you do that. And it go sweet us for belle say you still leave your comments for this place in case you get what you wan talk. For our next episode, na that comment now we take start. We go treat am to take tell you say you dey important to us. So na so we wan end the program for our corner for here. I still remain una brother Nusakare Sydney, and together with my sister Abu Bose, we say una do.
Worokoto, e don happen. Too many things dey happen for inside life. Oyana, come make we yarn am for inside life on top VOS TV.